Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare Ahuna Mutton or Champaran mutton. This is also called Handi meat or Batlohi. This recipe has its roots from Champaran, Bihar. Meat is marinated in a mix of exotic spices, mustard oil, ginger, garlic and onion. Cooked slowly, ensuring muttons become tender and the flavor of the all spices or ingredients are released in the curry. For 500 gram mutton, I'm chopping 350 gram of onions. While the bold use of onions provide a rustic charm to the dish, the uses of spices like cloves, red chili powder, cinnamon, ginger, garlic, garam masala, bay leaves, and most importantly, mustard oil adds a strong and unique richness to this mutton curry. Now I'm going to make a coarse paste using garlic cloves, 7 to 8 green chillies, and ginger, which is roughly a one and a half inch. So I'm removing the stems of the green chili. Now the spices plays a significant role as the meat is devoid of any tomatoes, butter, cream or curd, but the flavor is predominantly by the spices. So in a handi we'll add oil. For that we will heat up the oil. To that we'll add cumin seed, red chillies, some bay leaf, black and green cardamoms, roughly opening the strands of the onions. This dish does not use a single drop of water and meat is cooked in its own juices and the water released by the onions. I'm adding 3 slit green chilies here. Adding a small piece of nutmeg and maize flour. Adding Ahuna Mutton masala. This is homemade masala. You may use store-bought masala. Now taking a plate. You may take a plate or a deep vessel to marinate the mutton. Wash the mutton thoroughly and marinate with the onions and the spice mix which is prepared. Meanwhile, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do like and subscribe, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get the new video update. Mix all the ingredients properly. Add salt as per the taste. Adding smoked mustard oil to the mixture and some more Ahuna Mutton masala. Mix everything. Mix the coarsely ground ginger, garlic and chili paste. Mix everything. Season the handi with mustard oil. Add the marinated mutton into the handi. Add garlic pods. This also gives flavor to the mutton. Once done, cover it with the lid. Attach the wheat dough across the pot rim to seal it properly. Place the handi onto gas stove. But there is a catch. Do not directly keep it on the stove. So keep a stand. Place the handi onto that stand. With the help of a toothpick, make a small hole, dum it properly. The pot is shaken every 15 to 20 minutes. The cooking time is 45 minutes to 1 hour. Keep shaking in between to make sure the mutton is cooked evenly. This goes well with sattu paratha, litti, rice or plain rotis. Do try this recipe at home. Thanks for watching.